MUNSCH. Highest quality non-metallic centrifugal pumps and plastic welding extruders from Germany's Westerwald region. We are the experts whenever it comes to non-metallic pumps for aggressive and abrasive surface environments and the worldwide market and technology leader in the field of handheld welding extruders. MUNSCH stands for quality, reliability and know-how. Our development and engineering team designs and optimizes pumps for your specific pumping needs. Precision and process stability of the production processes are crucial to meeting our customers' exacting quality demands. All plastic components are manufactured in our own production facilities. In our in-house surface coating shop, we give our products the desired paint finish and bring color into the world. The individual components arrive at the assembly line just in time and are assembled by the latest methods. No product leaves our site without having undergone a rigorous test on our test bench. Our focus on quality is a key contributor to our customers' successful operations, something we are proud of. MUNSCH is a reliable employer for the region. Our competent staff is the key to our success.